Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be looking at the glass 3-pack screen protector.
Yes, and that's going to be for the DJI Pocket 3, as you can see here, which is pretty nice. This is another pocketable just to take videos and things as well. So we're going to test it out and see if this actually, see how easy it is to put on and the quality of this glass. This one actually says it's the 9H hardiness, so which is, I guess it's one of the high hardiness type of tempered glass. As you can see, premium. We'll put the links down below to see if you guys wanted to order it, right? Online?
Yeah. We also have a new friend, Wally.
Oh, hey, Wally, welcome. Welcome, Wally, today. Hey, we got Wally in here helping us out, so let's see if Wally can help us. You gonna help us install these glass protectors, Wally? Yeah, okay. So yeah, once again, this is the DJI Pocket 3. Hopefully you guys picked up one and you guys wanted to, give a glass protector there, a premium one. This is supposed to be really good. This is, says Mr. Shields, as you can see there. Mr. Shields there. So yeah, let's take a look. So let's open this up right here. Let's open here, which is pretty nice. They actually have some nice open, and it's a 3-pack. So I wonder if it's actually gonna be like something that will break easy.
It opens up like a book.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it? And everything's in here, as you can see, is protected by that Mr. Shield. No hassle lifetime replacement warranty, which is, I guess, is pretty nice. As you can see there, you guys, it's got the nice warranty in there. So I don't know. And then here it's got.
Why are we blurry on that?
And then actually the other thing too is that it actually has in here, as you can see, it's got 1, 2, and 3. And then it's actually got 1, 2, 3 also, because it also has for the lens camera up here in the top. We'll show you right here, and it's got 3 for these right here. So that's pretty good. Hopefully, it's something that in case you break it or something, you can redo those in there very quickly. So yeah, let's open this up in here and see what's it got in here. Let's move this a little bit out of the way here.
Be careful.
He's very careful. All
do
right.
not bump into anything.
All right.
Wally.
Let's go see what's this got in here. So yeah, as you can see in here, it's got some alcohol pads, which is pretty nice. It's got a whole nice setup in here. A little bubbler remover. Hopefully we won't need that in here. As you can see in here, it's got lint remover stickers in here, as you can see there. Dust removers. You can see there on there in the package, which is pretty nice. So it's got everything in there. So let's take one of each and we'll test it out, right? Okay, here you go. Let's hold on to these real quickly. And it's actually, it has a little clean cloth, but this little clean cloth, it feels like paper. So I think we're not going to use those. So let's put everything back in here. We'll keep one of these here. And let's...
Oh, it comes with stickers?
Well, it's not stickers. They're to take out the lint. And it's got, these are bigger ones. So we'll put those away. And then we'll keep... everything
Maybe
in here.
If you have any extras of these, you can actually use them for stickers.
Yeah, probably. Yeah, we could probably use it for stickers, huh?
Yeah.
We'll set this aside here.
If you have extras, you can just use them for stickers.
Yeah.
You get it?
Okay, so we'll get the alcohol pad here, as you guys can see here. So let's open this up and let's go ahead and I would recommend you put a little towel or something so you won't scratch it up. And then let's go ahead and we're gonna open up the alcohol pad, as you can see here, and then we'll do a real quick cleaning of the lens in here. Let me open this up here.
And don't forget to check out my movies that I made. I actually made some movies.
Oh, you did? Oh,
yeah,
nice.
I made some movies.
Cool. That's
and one of them actually has Wally, but in Lego.
In Lego?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. So, oops. So, okay, let's make sure this is
stable.
Turned off here.
Yeah, because we can't have it
Yeah, try not to have your screen flip over so that way. So there you go. We're cleaning that up. So now that we have that cleaned up, remember we got these little lint removers here.
Sometimes
Just
you
little
can use them
stickers.
as stickers.
Yeah, but they're not stickers, so we'll see.
Or you can use them as stickers if you have any extras.
Yeah. So that, as you can see there, I'm just kind of like just making sure that there's no lint here.
For?
Oh, that's the lenses, the protectors. So let's go see.
How come Wally right here doesn't get to be in the movie? I mean the video.
Oh, he can, but let's see right now. As you can see, this is showing number 1 is black. It's not black. The back part of it is right there. So you want to make sure you pull this out. And what I would do is when you pull this back, I always face them down like this to keep the least amount of dust or lint to come out there. Take another quick look and see at all angles. If you see anything that, if you see any lint, you might want to just kind of give it another little quick stick like this, as you can see there. And then what I'll do is I'm going to try to get one corner to line up here, as you can see here. You guys can see there. I'm trying to line up as much as I can here. So then that way, once I drop it, I keep my finger right there. See how I'm lining it up there? So I push this down like this. And then once you push this down, you guys can see here, it's just, it's going to go in there. It looks like it's off by a little bit. So I'm pushing it. I'm going to push it down. Let me power this down again. See, I was able to push it. Now that I have it all pushed down, see, now I can go ahead and kind of push all the way down. And it's actually on there really nice, all the corners.
Very nice.
Yeah, it lines up very nice. See, everything, it cut everything in all the corners. And it actually doesn't even look like it's got a screen protector. You guys can see all the corners here. It doesn't lift up at higher than the screen at all. So that's pretty good because...
it's like it's invisible.
Actually, yeah, it looks like it's actually invisible, huh? On there. So if you guys can see that, see in all corners, it's actually very nice because it's not lifted higher than the screen in there. So let me go ahead and turn it on. As you can see, actually there's really not that much glare off this new screen protector. You can see. See, you can see that. You guys can see that?
Yeah.
Huh? Can you see that?
Yeah, that's very actually nice.
That's very nice.
Show the cameras.
See, you guys can see that it's the glare and everything is you can catch at all angles. I'll get a close up, but you guys can see that. See how all the glare
is good.
Yeah, it's all good there. You guys can see there.
So
now, all right. So now that we put the the screen protector, like I mentioned to you guys, outside. Let me turn this on to the side, and there's really no actual glare or anything that's affecting the screen. In here, as you guys can see, outdoors, nothing at all. It actually looks very clear as well, so that's very nice of it. You guys can see here in the sun, you can see that there is nothing affecting it. It's still the same glare as the if it was the screen protector itself. So yeah, this actually works really good.
Remember these? You can actually use them as stickers if you have any issues, right?
Yeah, you can probably use it as stickers, yeah.
Yeah, if you want.
If you want. So now what we want to do is we want to go ahead and apply it to the front screen, like I mentioned, because it comes with another one. So same little alcohol pad, I would just kind of do a little quick clean. Do you have the other little screen protector? Or did we already misplace it?
I don't know where it is.
I think that's that one, isn't it?
Is this?
Yeah, you want to get it out or get it ready for me?
Sure.
Let me go here. In the meantime, I'm go ahead and so we'll go ahead and
here it is. Here's the screen.
Make sure there's no more lint on there. I'm holding it. They're really good.
Here.
Another little quick wipe. Another quick one. And okay. And we'll make sure that it doesn't have no lint in there. So here it is. As you guys can see, it's in another little small plastic. So this is probably going to be a little bit tougher to put in, huh? Because it's so small.
Yeah.
Or tiny.
It's tiny.
Yeah.
There's actually, I think there's supposed to be another one.
So let's go see. Let's go ahead and give this a try.
Let's give this bad boy a test.
Yeah. So and again, see, I'm keeping it down, facing down, so I won't get no lint.
And also, if you guys didn't notice, I have a Band-Aid.
Oh yeah. What happens that when we're out filming?
Yeah.
See, as I dropped it down, and wow, that actually worked out really good.
We're gonna test it actually tomorrow.
Yeah, we'll test it out outside and see if it actually
Works.
yeah, if it actually affects. Oops, there got stickers. If it affects the video quality or anything. So we'll go ahead and video here, as I'm videotaping the front part of it. I'm videotaping it here, as you can see here. And I got it facing backwards, and it looks good. I don't see any difference that it would actually affect with the screen protector, as you guys can see there again. And try it. See, you guys, hopefully that can show up in the camera. You know, the glare right there that you see is kind of the same glare that it normally had from the, I mean, whether you had a screen protector or glass. So yeah, again, this is very easy to install. As you guys just saw this, very nice. This is the Mr. Shield glass pack screen protectors. So you can see there.
I have a question for you.
Yeah.
Where did you get the screen protector?
These you can get on. We ordered these, I think, from Amazon.
You think from
Yeah,
Amazon?
we ordered this on Amazon. So we'll put the link below.
Yeah, we'll put the link below where we got it.
Yeah.
We don't really know right now, so we'll put it in the link below where we found it.
Yeah, and so far actually, the feels like good quality. So so far I will give it a good recommendation right now. And how's Wally doing?
Good, he's right here.
Hey, there he is. Hey Wally, thanks for joining us on this video.
Wally.
Yeah, and there you go. So.
Yeah. We'll see you on the next video. We hope this helps you. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. It really helps our channel. And we'll see you next time. Bye.
Yeah.
Bye.
Thank you. Appreciate it.